Guys, no into ka Minnie Dlamini no Sol Phenduka ihlangene no Mel G. It needs to stop at some stage. Yeah, it's a bit much now. Yeah, no. Yeah, escalator now. There's other videos that are resurfacing. We're just like, guys, isafika nini la nizothuka ingane yabantu kanje like niyayazi. Like you're hanging around with her, you know Hindabas, Nini Noisejola, na some TV boss, some DSTV boss, she was sleeping with him. Guys. And then Badayisa ngekeke labo. How is she different from Uzodwa Wabantu? Guys, who even says things like this, man? It's not right. I said it on my other video, but this is actually not funny. Like you can't go on kanje ngomntana abantu nikhulume ngaye kanje like niyabazi nokuthi wayejola this DSTV boss esashade no Mr Jones ngapha futhi she was favoring with Khune ebhizi futhi no Mr Jones esheshadile naye. Guys, asifike nini? When did we get here? It needs to stop at some stage. So according to uMac G, uMinnie Dlamini noMihlalinda Mase bayadayisa to get jobs and brands and be seen basically in South Africa. Is that what we're teaching our teenage girls? Mac G can't be serious, guys, right now.